restaurant on the front at Patong Beach. Thank you. Beachfront. Loads and loads and loads of choices of food, restaurants, everything. Loads of weed shops over here as well. Everywhere you look. Staying in Patong, there's no shortage of restaurants. Oh, that's the other thing, happy hour. Happy hour is everywhere and it seems to be continuous. Everywhere is happy hour all the time. Prices are pretty good. Plenty of choice. Very lively, as you can see. Live entertainment, yeah, you know, you're not going to go too far wrong. We've got tuk-tuks all along here. It's buzzing along the road itself. It's a long road, plenty of stuff. It's a good choice as far as I'm concerned. Coffee shops, seafood, Asian, street food, you name it, pizza. Juices. Money exchange and ATMs are also everywhere. So if you're thinking you need money, ATMs, anything along those lines, there's loads of that sort of stuff. Big guns. Plenty of knockoff shops as well. If you want any hooky goods, there's plenty of those. Loads of watches. Hi. Hello. Thank you. You can get your SIM cards, tours. Subways and McDonald's further up. And Burger King, mango smoothies.
How are you today?
Hello. boss. On the Thai, Asian food. It seems to be busy tonight. Banana Nutella.
Yes.
Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Sit over there. Yeah, thank you. This looks good. We're going to get into this. Wow. Ah, whoa. This looks good. Thank you. I've got a spoon. I've got a fork. Ooh. It's going to be hot. Try something in there. I'll have one more piece. Have one more piece.
Just to make sure.
Just to make sure, because this is very good. I think the extra chocolate on top does it. Come in the cup. Ice cream pancakes. Ice cream.